Hi everybody, I'm Julie and this is my kitchen of Tasty in Texas. Anyway, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make camp biscuits. What it is I'm gonna flip you around and show you what it is, and then that way you'll know what you need. Okay, first what we need is biscuits. These are the jumbo. I'm making 2 batches, and we're going to be using these. We need Canadian bacon or biscuit ham slices, eggs, cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you want, and butter. Okay, I'm not sure if anybody knows what camp biscuits are. Camp biscuits are fried. They're on a griddle. I got a griddle over here. I'll show you in a minute. And what you do is you put them on and you let them cook. You let them bake, or fry, I should say. And you have to do a certain technique to them. When I was a kid, this is what we used to have out at the family reunion, was camp biscuits. And a lot of people are like, camp biscuits? You don't know what you're missing. You can't make homemade with this because it won't work. I mean, I guess you could. I guess you can make homemade. But I prefer to do it this way for the simple fact it's just easier. We're also going to flash freeze these like we did the French toast.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. Baby, you and me. There is no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me, you and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby, you and me, we're like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again, you and me. You and me.
enjoyed that. I hope that gives you 2 breakfast ideas to put in the freezer so your kids can grab them, heat them up in the microwave. I put the wax paper around them so then that way when they heat them up, the cheese isn't going to melt anywhere. And yes, it's hot in my kitchen because I got the washer and dryer going too. But that gives us 8 French toast and 8 camp biscuits. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Come back and see my channel. Subscribe, like, ring the bell so you'll get the notifications. If you want to see something, let me know. I'm the sugar-free queen. I love to do sugar-free desserts. If you have a dessert that you want me to convert, just send it to me. My email is jawbedwell, bedwell, bedwell @gmail.com. So anyway, we'll see you later. Bye.